Good evening, everyone. Okay, let's go over the charts really quick. So we had a big move down here. I had shorted this swing failure at the highs. I took 30% profits at the lows here, but I left 70% running. And I had two key levels I was interested in trading. And I tried taking a long here, got stopped out after about 1% with my short still running. And then I just said, I'm just waiting for lower. And my next big target was here at this point of control, golden pocket. There's a couple levels here. So you can see we bounced right off the point of control. And I'll just show, that wasn't hindsight. If you watch my last YouTube video, I think this was identifiable as a key level. And I'll show just a quick clip of that right here.
We also have at the bottom of the golden pocket the point of control. So, if we start breaking down, I have this nice short running, hedging out my longs, and maybe we get a bounce off some of these horizontal levels. This is also a value area high of this level right around 3,200. But this could set up a pretty bearish rejection, and then we just keep forming this range. So I'm going to be really patient with longs. I have nice longs from the lows. I now have a nice short. It's about to be in locked in profit. And I can just kind of wait to see what happens at some of these key levels. Do we start holding them as support? Do we have lots of bullish signs in order flow, lots of short? Do we start breaking down?
Okay, that gets the idea. But yeah, so we had this big bearish rejection. I was patient with longs. I did take one that got stopped out, and then as we came down into this point of control, which let's head over to the chart here. We had some signs of bullish divergences in CVD, some signs of absorption. So I did take a long here, and I posted that in the Discord. I was out actually. I was like, "Oh, we're breaking down. I hope I really want to trade this. I just won't be at my computer." Luckily, I got home right around here, so I did take a long. Now this can still break down, but it's a nice level. I'd say out of all the levels in this range, you know, around here and here are probably the two most interesting levels. Some of these intermediary levels, maybe a swing failure of this low, are interesting, but this is a pretty nice level to trade. So that's why I was kind of waiting for it. And we got a nice bounce here. So, it's we'll see what happens. I still have some of my short running. But yeah, I'm really interested. I took profits on my shorts here, but I'm really interested to see if we can this could be somewhere where you might expect to see some sort of continuation, possibly, right? So it's a nice place to have a long. Um, I was patient for longs coming down here. Got a nice short. I have this nice long that I opened, got profits on it. So I'm willing to let this play out. If I get stopped out, not a big deal. I can just look for new entries. But I like this level. I identified it, came down, had some support coming in here, so I took a trade. But anyways, that's how I'm looking at things. This is an important key level. Maybe we come back and even retest it, and then maybe we can carry on higher, or we lose it, and that gets stopped out. Short carries on, and I look for opportunities lower. Hopefully, I get a take profit one. I think it'd be reasonable to take profit here, which is this level that we claimed and back tested. So right before this level, that'd be a reasonable take profit one, stop loss entry, and then see what happens. All right. Hope you guys are having a good night. Just wanted to do a quick update.